My dear brothers and sisters, have you ever felt that God is silent? You pray, you ask, but nothing seems to change. In the gospel today, Jesus gives us a promise. He says, "Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you." Notice something beautiful. Jesus does not say maybe. He says will. God is not a distant ruler. He is a father, and no loving father gives his child a stone when he asks for bread. Sometimes the answer is not what we expect. Sometimes the gift is strength, patience, or peace. But the Father always gives what is good. So this Lent, do not be afraid to ask. Do not stop seeking. Do not give up knocking. The door of the Father's heart is always open. So trust Him. He is closer than you think. Amen.